How to block websites on Chrome on your Android device. What's up everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can block any kind of website on your Chrome using your Android device. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to hit the like, share and subscribe button, and let's begin. First thing first, you can use any web browser, but Chrome is the most popular among the Android devices, so I'm just going to show you right on the Chrome. You just have to open up your Chrome browser and head over to mynextdns.io. Once you get to the website, you will have to log in or create an account. It's completely free. You just have to enter your email address and create a password. Once you do that, you will be sent to your profile and your setup page. Once you get here, on the top you will see different tabs, so just scroll to the left until you find the deny list. And here I have a website, a random website, so I'm just going to copy its URL and then paste it on my other tab. So I'm just going to type in abc.com, and once you hit enter, it will show you all of the possible domains right here. So make sure to toggle it on like this, and after you do that, head over back to your setup tab and scroll down until you find this private DNS. So you just have to copy this private DNS and then paste it on your device. For that, just open up your settings, and once you open up your settings, head over to your connections, and from here you want to head over to more connection settings, then tap on private DNS. So you just want to paste the link that you've just copied and tap on save. So once I get back to my Chrome and get here, so if I just reload this website, once the private DNS starts working, your website will be completely blocked. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you found it helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.